Dulwich fam, welcome back. So it's another apartment tour video coming up, so stay tuned and remember to subscribe, it's free. Alright guys, so we are on Old Church Road off Waterloo Road. So this community, it runs here and then connects back to Barbican Road, or where Barbican Road meets Grand Spen Road. So this community has a lot of big lots with single family homes, and similar to this apartment here, probably this is 2 lots. What has been happening, they're buying out the single family lots, turning them into townhouse like in front of us, an apartment complex as well. So even right now there's 3 or 4 apartments under construction. You can see 2 of them towards the right of the screen. And yes, we're gonna set up the drone so you'll get some better shots as well. So this is Old Church Road. When we take the right, it brings us on to Dulwich Drive. So it's designed in a circle, one-way circle. So yeah, that's how this road is designed. So another apartment on the right. I'm gonna turn back right here though. There is a primary school here. I think New Day Primary is in the corner, if my memory serves me right. Right, so apartment in front of us, and then there's at least 3 more under construction. So these lots are super big lots in this community. So the developers will come in, buy them out and convert them to apartment complex like we're seeing. From the drone shots, you guys will get a better view as well. So just doing a little drive-in tour for you guys first. So this is one under construction, the one beside it almost finished. Not seeing any names for them though, except one around the corner. And this again is another lot, already zinc up, waiting for development. In the corner again is another lot, waiting for development, but it looks like the house is still occupied. And then as we bend the corner, is another development happening. So this is the Dulwich, named after Dulwich Drive. So this one is going closer to completion. See if I can zoom in on the billboard. So as I realize, a lot of apartment going up in this community. Kind of reminds me of like Paddington Terrace, where there's a lot of apartment and townhouse. And also, you know, Cherry Garden side. So that's what's happening here. But the lots are big, even on this side where Dulwich is. The lots are big, and I think one of the reasons for that on this side is there's a gully behind. So, you know, they give them all the land space because you can't have a next road or, you know, house behind. So I guess that's the reason. But very big land space. I'll set up the drone so you guys will get a better shot of the area. So you guys can definitely stay tuned for that. You guys will be able to get an aerial shot, but big land space, lots of apartment going up. And basically this is where we started from. So that's the one in front of us. Alright guys, so stay tuned. We're basically gonna set up the drone now and just cover the area from an aerial shot for you. Aerial standpoint, aerial shots for you guys. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to subscribe. It's completely free, doesn't charge you. Easiest way to support the channel. And leave your comments as well. Let me know what you think about this community and what you think about these developments.